If you are thinking of importing from China to Nigeria, or you are already into importation from China to Nigeria, then this video is meant for you. By the end of this video, you will learn all the details you need to know in order to import from China to Nigeria yourself. As a beginner, as a pro, everything, all the details here. If you are new here, we are a registered trading company based in China, and we help in sourcing, procurement, consolidation, product inspection, shipment, payment of Chinese supplies, and everything. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If you want to import from China, there are several factors you need to know. One is knowing where to buy the products, getting a supplier or manufacturer of that product. You finding a supplier means that you already know what you want to buy. So, as a beginner or whatever, there are several ways. You can get suppliers from apps. You can sit at the comfort of your home in Lagos, Port Harcourt, Kano, or anywhere in Nigeria. If you have internet to your mobile phone, you can get suppliers from several apps. We have several apps. We have apps groups in English language and apps group in Chinese language. The apps in English are Alibaba, AliExpress, Made in China. These are in English language. And we have apps in Chinese language, which is Taobao, Pinduoduo, 1688, Idle Fish, popularly known as Shenyu. These are apps in Chinese language. Now, after knowing these apps, the next important thing is how to use this app. I've made several videos on each of these apps, so you can click in the link in the description box to watch how to use these apps. It's very, very easy. The next important thing is how to pay your supplier. In order to pay your Chinese suppliers, you need an app called Alipay. Alipay. That is what you need in order to pay your suppliers. And before you can pay your suppliers, your Chinese suppliers, you need Chinese currency, which is called renminbi, popularly known as RMB. RMB. In order to get RMB, you need to have the Alipay account, which you can click in the link in the description box to learn how to register yourself. You just need your ID and your information to register. Then if you face any challenge, comment in the comment section. My team will come and help you with that. Now, after getting the Alipay, how do you get your RMB? Yes, several people get scammed in the process of getting RMB. That is why you need to get a reliable source like us. We are a registered trading company based in China. All you have to do is to send your Naira to our company's account in Nigeria, a Nigeria company account. Then, once we receive the money, we will send the Chinese currency to you in your Alipay by sending your QR code. That is all. Now, after getting RMB from DAKS Import and Export Trading, the next is paying. So before you pay for the product, you need to get an address or a shipping logistics. You are in Nigeria, the supplier is in China, but you need to get somebody who can ship the items from China to you in Nigeria. How do you do that? We have something called shipping logistics. What they do is they are experienced in taking your item, shipping from China to you in Nigeria. There are several ways. We have shipping by air and shipping by sea. If you want to ship by air, you should know that is the fastest way, but it's expensive. Why? Because the shipping fee is calculated based on the weight of the item. And there are some items you cannot ship by air. Power bank, deodorant, spray, products which are highly inflammable. You cannot ship them by air. So by sea is cheaper, but it takes a long time. It takes within 2 months after loading before it gets to Lagos or Kano in your shipping logistics warehouse. So these are the most important thing you need to know with shipping logistics. But if you are doing business, you should know that it's because of profit, that's why you are doing business. Even now, charity homes, they make profit. Therefore, if you want to make profit, then you should use sea shipping. Since sea shipping takes a long time, before you buy the products and ship by sea, you need to check time. Time is very important. For example, if you want to buy products for Christmas, you don't have to wait after 1 month before you buy. You have to buy from September or October so that they can be in Nigeria before Christmas. So time is very important when you want to use C method. Now, after you have paid for the product, you need to get an address from your logistics in China. There are so many logistics. In the future, I recommend so many logistics you can use from shipping from China to Nigeria. Now, you need to get that logistics. And the next important thing is you need to know their rate, their shipping fee rate. You need to have several logistics, know their rate, know their condition of service. Then you try several of them. Any of them that you like their service, then you continue using them. Now, the next thing is your logistics will give you an address in China. So you give that address to your supplier, and your supplier will ship or send the items from his factory or warehouse to your logistics warehouse in China. Now, your logistics duty is to let you know how much you pay when the items arrive in Nigeria, including clearance. So the shipping logistics, they will be in charge of shipping, clearance, and deliver it to their warehouse. You don't have to do anything. Yours is to just go to the warehouse and pick up your items. Now, after picking your items, voila, you can sell. So basically, this is the easiest way you can import from China as a beginner. We are a registered trading company in China. Learning how to import from China should not be complicated. It should be very simple and easy. I have 8 years experience living and doing business in China. So we have importation courses as well. If you want deeper, if you want one-on-one consultation about the business to start from China to Nigeria, just contact us. If you want to visit China, you need airport pickup, hotel booking, factory tour, you want us to translate for you, so if you want us to translate, maybe we'll go with you to the factory, offer translation service. We also do that. We also offer consolidation service. I even forgot about that. Now, before you buy your product from your suppliers, if you are buying many products, it means that the products are coming from different suppliers in China. China is so big and huge. So therefore, the next important thing is to get a shipping logistics in China that offers consolidation, and that's important as well. We offer consolidation. Consolidation simply means we will receive your items, we will remove all the boxes away, then we will pack everything in one big carton before we send it to your logistics before they ship to you in your country. Consolidation will help you reduce the shipping fee. Consolidation will help all your items be in one carton instead of maybe 30 products separately. So that is one important thing I miss in the process. Consolidation service is so useful when you are importing from China. If I didn't mention anything in this video or any question, comment in the comment section and we will help you answer this. We have a page where you can follow where we post products available, used products like machineries which are from factories which have stopped operating already. So if you need any of them, just contact us and we will help you source anything from China to Nigeria. Until then, thank you. Until then, you should know that Ghana Jollof is always better than Nigeria Jollof. I'm mainly from Ghana, based in China, and I have been in China for over 8 years living and doing business here. Until then, bye-bye.